This is the moment of generation. A MisteryPath Tarot Digital Collection. Temenos Tarot Digital Collection. See, this is my workflow. So, a massive workflow with all components of cards. This is a framing, finalizing, text editing, and especially for pips with masking. This is a prompt separator from a JSON script, 1,000 strings of prompts. It's all about one tarot desk. You see, this all is prompts. This is the magician and his prompt, structurizing with weight, with structure, and this prompt is separating for parts, the parts of styling, for pips, for framing, for background, and this is actually the third. Oh, it's from temperance to devil. You see, this from temperance to devil. It's complicated workflow with many modules, and I just batch one card one by one. Look at the cards. I marked every card, as you see. Tarot MisteryPath, the version of free, 2025, April 9. This, the size of card, is 12 centimeters for 7 centimeters, standard card size, standard for tarot. Well, this is 70 arcane, but actually is 15. Next one is 16, the tower. You see, the tower is created with depth, and after this depth is colorized. I have colorized blow for colorizing with specific K coding. This is colorize K, the gradient of colors for every frame. For tower is colorizing from yellow to red, and this card from yellow to red for all discs. So let's look into the cards. This version of free, it's continue of generating the temperance, the death, the hanging man, the strange, wheel of fortune. Look into the wheel of fortune. lot of details. Something from Braille and Bosch and Gustavo Doré and from Rembrandt, Rubens and Veronese and Giger also. You see this, the parts looks like a Giger style. It's a mix of styles and many styles mixing. And you see, this is Justice and Hermit and Chariot, Lovers. It's very strange. I'm surprised to see this composition. It's really surprised. Okay, we have another card. Oh, this is Star in Pre-Raphaelite styles. I guess it's Pre-Raphaelite like, and something from Rubens and Rembrandt. Okay. And this one is Queen of Swords. It's from previous. It's previous desk version 2. It's secondary version. Look, I like the pips separate from the ground. 3 of swords, 4 of swords, and the strange details is generating in every card. It's absolutely randomized. Sometimes we see the sword is missing, is disappearing, and something strange. The sword is disappearing, but star and wing is created. And here I put the gems, but gems is transformed to skeleton. It's very amazing. Okay, here is 7 of swords, 6 of sword, 5 of sword, the sword. Okay, this is my already generated collection, the moon. Oh, it's I'm completely surprised. Not 2 dogs, but many of dogs. I see 2 towers, the moon, another one tower, no pool with Cancer, but many wolf and dogs. Sometimes I see 1 light tower or 2 moon or 1 dog at the center. Sometimes 2 groups of dogs and wolves. It's always something new. The next card is almost created. It's a sun. Yes, it's 18 and 19. 19 arcana, the sun. It looks strange because in prompt I must have a vowel and the sun on top of composition and 2 child, but I see it's not child, it's maybe pregnant lady, and some globe and other objects. It's always surprising, but this is the sun. Okay, Every time something new. Every time. Look into the previous. It's already created. Already created cards. Well, the Fool, Magician, High Priest, Empress. This looks good. The Emperor always from head grow another Emperor. Emperor with 2 floors. It's very strange, but it's something to understand. From head, or from head in the head, another emperor. Emperor, the head. Emperor is the head of emperor. Huh. Hierophant. Okay. The Lovers. Another composition of Lovers. Lovers is always surprised me because one lady and many lovers around her. It's not in prompt. Prompt is completely standard for Marseille Tarot, not for Wait Tarot, but for Marseille Tarot or Crowley. This is the Chariot. Okay, Knight is here, the Chariot is here. It looks strange and mysterious. That's why I call this collection Mysterious Path. This is really mysterious path. Justice. Where is the sword? The sword always missing. The Hermit. Okay. Wheel of Fortune. On the monkey. Sometimes it's well, sometimes it's monkey, sometimes it's something another one. It's completely randomized. So many lines in strange. One lady, Babylon lady, Scarlet Babylon, and many lines. Okay, Hanged Man. Hanged Man can be reversed. Down, the head in down, legs up. It's difficult to generate, and always generate something hanged and something looks by man, but not in reverse position. The Death. This is very difficult and prompt. Many details, many symbolics, and always that is looks another. The Temperance. For this card, the Temperance with lion head. The devil in this collection looks like Indian one. It's a strange mixing between Baphomet and some Indian god, I believe. The Tower. Okay, this is the Tower. The Star. And this one in this card is mutated from one figure grow another. In prompt I use some words and phrases for disable the situation. But it's happened sometime, I don't know why, but maybe it's something for understanding. To grow from the head, another one. You understand? From the head, another one. This is the moon. Two moon, one tower. Composition always changed. And the wolf here and dog here. The pool. Something's happening in the pool. The tower is always changed. The sun. And judgment. The angel with tube and rising deaths. It's mixing from I don't know how it's correctly to say. From cloud of interpretations, I believe. This is not what I prompted. This is what actually taking from the cloud of interpretation about symbolic of tarot and symbolic of judgment and apocalyptical composition, maybe some sort of mythological pictures from Renaissance and from 60 and 70 and 80, 90th century pictures. The world. It looks like pre-Raphaelite picture style, stylistic. The King of Wands, the Queen of Wands, the third hand. Sometimes third hand from the left, from the right. It looks like undermined. It's a symbolical, I believe. I believe there's a symbol. Third hand from behind. Looks like another one stayed behind, or it's actually agenda of this person. It's symbolical. Knight of Wands, it's okay, but horse have 5 legs. Sometimes it's 7, 6, 8 legs, and I believe this is meaning to look in another card. In this case, I must look to the 5th of Wands, 5 of Wands card. What I have in the 5 of Wands. The Page of Wands, many legs. Composition is good, but many legs. I don't know how it's to fixed, but I don't want to fix it. This is completely generated images, completely generated. Why I must fix this one? It's taken from empty, from the space, from void, I don't know. And this is some sort of signs to look in another card. 1, 2, 3. What I have in the 3 of Wands. For Knight is a 5 of Wands. For Page is a 3 of Wands. 3 legs here. Maybe this boots is 4. Okay. The Ace of Wands. The 2 of Wands. The 3 of Wands. The 3 and the 5. 4. You see, this wands is transformed to figure, some sort of figure. In the head, some symbol here. It looks completely mysterious. That's why I call this collection is MisteryPath. MisteryPath. Completely mysterious. Swords. Okay. The cups. The King of Cup. Queen of Cup. Knight of Cup. Page of Cup. It's nobody. No figure. Just one big cup. It's completely surprised for me. But it's okay. Page of Cups. What does this mean? Maybe understanding of this in this composition. We must look pretty close. What's happened here? What's happened there? The Ace of Cups, 2 of Cups, 3, 4, 5. 5. The cups is disappearing, but some strange figure behind this cool handled transparency cup. It's so strange composition from actually 5 cups transformed to some figure with holding the cups, and cup in the center is transformed to skull. Very strange. 2 cups is transformed to something between 2 middle of cups, and the 3 cups transformed to some sort of figure. I don't know what is this meaning, but it's meaning something. What looks behind? What's happened behind? What's happened here? What is this meaning? What do you think? For 7 of Cups. What is meaning for 7 of Cups? What here? Who is this? Well, the 8, mysterious and some scary details. Sometimes scary, sometimes not, sometimes impressive. A king of discs, so many discs. A queen of discs. A queen, well. The knight. Page of discs, ace of discs. Discs is completely beautiful. I don't know, it's very, very beautiful. Well, the 10 of discs, and here you see the wings. The 2 coins is transformed to the wings for this disc. This coin. 2 coins transformed to wings. You see this? Okay, it's something new. Well, what's happened in my generation? Oh, this generation of wands. Okay. There's something changed. I will generate many variation of one death. I believe it must be minimum 5 variations. 5 variations of one card, every card, and you can aggregate from 5 discs, I believe, maybe 9, I don't know, maybe I just change the weights of style of something or composition and etc. and create 9 variations of this disc. I leave the frame for all of these discs is one. It looks like little bit looks like Giga with this one, but it's okay. It's good framing and not will be changed for these discs. Okay, something changing. You see what's happened with Vent. You see what's happened in the background. It's absolutely mysterious tarot cards. Absolutely mysterious. I worked on this generation workflow, on this system, around 2 months. 2 months of work. You understand? It's a very, very complicated work. Well, this is the third variant. I'm absolutely impressed with this mutable, transformated, symbolical, metaphoric, and allegorical. So what's happened here? I must explore what's going on here. It's for next card. This card is generated and the next card is started from the ground and the pips generated and the color came, the depth, and aggregate this to one picture, and I don't fix and don't change any pixel. I leave all as it generated because I believe it's absolutely alchemical process, absolutely esoterical process of digital synthesis. The prompts, the generator, these are on my computer like Atanor, alchemical Atanor, a separated cube, and this magical process. I look card by card and I'm absolutely impressed what's generated. It's absolutely amazing, symbolic. It's changed my opinion about generated tarot cards. I completely changed my opinion for this point. My point of view is reversed. So what will be next? Bye.